Listen and repeat. My morning routine. Part 1. Every morning, I wake up at 7 a.m. when my alarm goes off. I usually turn off the alarm right away, but sometimes I want to stay in bed a little longer. Eventually, I get up and put on my slippers. Remember these phrasal verbs. Wake up. Stop sleeping. Go off. Alarm ringing or starting. Turn off. Stop something from working. Get up. Leave the bed. Put on. Wear something. Part 2. I go to the bathroom to brush my teeth and wash off my face to feel more awake. After that, I put on some comfortable clothes for the day. Remember these phrasal verbs. Brush my teeth. Clean your teeth. Wash off. Clean something off with water. Put on. Wear something. Part 3. Once I'm dressed, I go to the kitchen to whip up a quick breakfast. If I have more time, I might toast up some bread or fry up some eggs. While eating, I always write down my to-do list so I don't forget anything. Remember these phrasal verbs. Whip up. Quickly prepare food. Toast up. Toast bread or similar items. Fry up. Cook something in a pan. Write down. Note something on paper. Part 4. Before leaving, I put on my shoes and I go out the door, ready to start my day. Remember these phrasal verbs. Put on. Wear something. Go out. Leave a place.